Mm.
Oh, look at that. Everest can help. Who'd the package come from?
Chandra.
Chandra Paivo. Chandra Paivo.
Chandra Pineapple.
Yep. And she sent you a package.
Yeah.
And have you opened it yet?
No.
Do you know what's in there?
No.
Okay, let's open it. Chandra, I had to cut the tape because you had that taped up good. Oh my goodness. Do you know what that is?
No.
That's a service dog vest and pack. And the handle. Is that awesome?
Yes.
There's a note. Oh, there's a note and a badge because you lost your badge in Baltimore. Winter Collaboration Baltimore 2019. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Hold on. There's Justin's badge. See? Now you got your badge. There's a note.
What does it say?
Justin, I thought maybe Everest would like to have Roman's service dog jacket. Oh my goodness. Also your badge from the meetup. Not sure why you didn't get it, but here it is. So great meeting you all. Much love, Chandra. Thank you, Chandra. That is Chandra. Oh my God, I say it wrong because of Michael Fire. I'm going to say his name wrong. Michael Flyer. Justin, say Michael Flyer.
Michael Flyer.
Say it again.
Michael Flyer.
Michael Flyer. Say it.
Michael Flyer.
It's part of... Look. Look it. That was Romans. That was Romans. That's awesome. That is so cool. What do you say, Justin?
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chandra. And we got it before we left for Florida.
Thanks, Chandra.
Awesome. Everest. What do you say? What do you say? Good deal. We were working with Everest and Justin at the store today. We did a little video. Everest is having fun with the box. Wait, don't get the wait. You can have the box. You can't have the badge and the note. Get it. Get that bad box. Everest, get the bad box. Get the bad box. Get it. Get that bad box. Get it. Get the bad box. Oh, get that bad box. Get it. Get that bad box. Oh. Hey, Everest. Everest. What did that box do to you? Ah! Why are you so mad at the box?